And first on Fox at 10, a Fox 5 exclusive from Loudoun County. The Commonwealth's attorney's office hiring a convicted sex offender, and prosecutors were stunned when they learned what happened.
So where was the background check? Fox 5's Lindsay Watts joining us live with the story you'll only see right here.
Angie and Jim, this man was convicted of a child pornography charge, and he served 5 years in prison. Through a FOIA request, we confirmed he was hired as a paralegal, but the county won't say when or for how long. So we called him.
Why did you apply at the Commonwealth's attorney's office?
I thought it would be a great opportunity to use my paralegal skills.
John's offense is public record. His photo, crime, and address are on Virginia's sex offender registry. But we agreed not to identify him as he tries to rebuild his life. It was 2013 when he got caught with child pornography. He says he was struggling with mental illness and became obsessed with collecting porn on the internet.
I would end up with hundreds and then became thousands of files of various types, both adult, child, all kinds of sometimes pretty horrific stuff.
What do you feel now, looking back on that?
It still kind of blows my mind that I'd gotten to that point.
In his 5 years in federal lockup, he says he started studying law. And last year, that led him to apply for a paralegal job at Loudoun County's Commonwealth's attorney's office. And then he got hired.
I was kind of surprised how quickly the process went, and I was expecting there to be the background check, of course. I mean, everybody does a background check these days.
John says it was last March when he started, and when he got called into Human Resources, he thought it was to discuss his prior offense.
But instead it turned into, here's your badge, here's all the access you need for the computers, and things just kind of went rolling from there. I immediately started working on different cases and had, immediate access to the files.
He says he was fired a few days later. The county is refusing to confirm the length of his employment. Sources working in the office at the time say it was John's probation officer who called to confirm his employment, and that's how his sex offender status was discovered. Commonwealth's attorney, Buta Biberai, wouldn't answer our questions, but provided a statement saying in part, the Office of the Commonwealth's Attorney cannot comment on personnel matters. Applicants for employment are reviewed through established Loudoun County Human Resources processes. Thereafter, the applicants are referred to OCA. John says he did go to the sheriff's office for fingerprinting after he started work. He says it was Biberai who called him in to fire him.
Do you remember what the Commonwealth's attorney said to you?
So she had, stated what my offense was and had told me that I should have disclosed it to them, that they thought that it was inappropriate that I would go into their office and start working with a felony offense.
I spoke to former prosecutors who say the office was stunned back when this happened. One told me that they didn't get a background check either. Another longtime former prosecutor emphasized that paralegals would have free access to years of case files, including sex crimes. Back to you.